Hey guys, it's Fan Rashid here from RashidReviews.com. I hope you're all doing well. And today I'm going to be giving you something which you might find useful. It's going to be about building an email list, and what it is a checklist. And if you don't know what checklist is, it's something similar to what you're seeing here. It's going to be a list of things to do, and once you've completed them, all you have to do is check the box with this tick there. And the order of that is simply, once you've checked all the boxes here, that means you're well on the way to doing what you're supposed to be doing. And in this case, I'll be building an email list. And in order to get this checklist, simply click the link below. You'll come to this page here. This is an opt-in form which I've created. And all you have to do is enter your name and email address there, and then click on this download button here. And you'll get an email which will be giving you this checklist. And the checklist which you'll be getting will be this one, Beginner's Guide to List Building. And in order to use this, you just check on these boxes here, and as you can see, it's an interactive checklist, so that line comes across there. Once that line comes to the end, that means you've completed it. And it's not just a normal checklist, you're actually getting instructions on what to do. So if you don't know what to do, like for this one, for instance, build a relationship and trust your customers, click on this plus button and the text will appear there. Okay, on some of these buttons there may be links there, and there may be videos there also. Okay, it's like this one, more effective email messaging. Just click on there, again read that section there. Okay, so if you want this, it's all about building an email list. Once you've completed all these boxes, you'll be well on your way to building an email list successful, which is what you need to build to do affiliate marketing online. Okay, I think I've said everything that needs to be said. Like I said, just click on the link below. It'll come to this page here, enter your name and email address there, and I'll give you this checklist for free. Okay, that's me, it's Fan Rashid from Rashid Reviews, and I'll speak to you next time.